Dear children, welcome to the EVS class. Today, before starting the new lesson, we will play a game. Guess the season. In this game, few objects will be shown on the screen and you have to guess the season related to that object. Let's start. Our first object is a raincoat. And the season related to raincoat is? Yes, it's rainy season. Next object is a hat. Season is summer season. A sweater. Yes, it will be winter season. Flowers. It's spring season. A fireplace. Yes, it's winter season. Ice cream. Yes, summer season. बच्चों, अब आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि हमारा नया लेसन सीजन से रिलेटेड है. So children, today we will start lesson 17 weather and seasons. In this lesson we will learn about different types of weather and different seasons. We will start with the weather. Weather को हम हिंदी में मौसम भी कहते हैं. What is the weather? The condition of atmosphere at a particular time and place is called weather. किसी प्लेस के एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर जो एटमॉस्फेयर का कंडीशन होता है उस कंडीशन को हम वेदर कहते हैं. जैसे क्लाउडी, विंडी, हॉट, कोल्ड, फॉगी, रेनी. Let's understand with an example. In the morning, the weather was cloudy in Delhi. In this sentence, morning is the time, Delhi is the place, and windy is the condition of the weather. So, जब हम किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर किसी लोकेशन के एटमॉस्फेयर के कंडीशन को बताने के लिए कुछ टर्म्स जैसे विंडी, हॉट, कोल्ड, फॉगी एटसेट्रा का यूज़ करते हैं तब हम उसे वेदर कहते हैं. चिल्ड्रन, वेदर कैन चेंज विद इन अ फ्यू मिनट्स और आवर्स. एक दिन में ही वेदर कई बार चेंज हो सकता है. जैसे अगर मॉर्निंग में वेदर क्लाउडी है तो आफ्टरनून में वेदर सनी भी हो सकता है. चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स रिकैप.
Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may start raining in the morning, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny.
The weather keeps changing. On some days, the sun shines nice and bright. On other days, there is a strong wind. Often it is cloudy, especially during certain months in a year, and we know we will have to carry a raincoat with us. Every day is a different day when we talk about the weather. The air which surrounds our earth and other conditions affect the daily weather.
Children, I hope you all have understood the topic well. In the next class, we will continue the lesson further. Thank you.